All right, let's get right into it. Today, we are going to do a sink deep clean. This is not just a regular old, and this is mainly for white sinks, like porcelain sinks. You could do it in your bathroom sink. Essentially, it's just for like when, it builds up over time, especially in these porcelain sinks. I have a white one and there can be stuff that just kind of ends up looking like it's stained, brown spots that you can't get out with just regular cleaner. So this is for that situation. Okay, so you're gonna need literally 2-3-ish ingredients. One is baking soda, and then the other is vinegar, white vinegar. I put this in a bottle just because it's easier, like a spray bottle, but you can just use the jug of white vinegar and pour it over there too if you want. And then you'll need a scrub. All right, so let's get started.
Alright, so first I start by spraying the white vinegar all over the sink. I make sure to do a really good coat and try to get every inch that I can with this white vinegar. And then moving on to the baking soda, I essentially just pour it over the white vinegar and once again make sure that I give it a good coat. After the baking soda, I go back to the white vinegar and just do a quick spray just to really get that like chemical reaction with the baking soda, and it should fizz really, really well at this point. And if it doesn't, then just pour it over it instead of spray it. Then I just lightly drizzle this Dawn dish soap over it. I don't do like a heavy coat, as you can see, just a really small amount. And then for the final step, I just scrub away. It does help to just dab a little bit of hot water just to kind of help ease the scrub, if you will. And then of course you will want to rinse everything off. And there you go, there's your DIY simple sink cleaner. I try to do this 1 to 2 times a month just to give it a good deep clean, but I hope this helps, and be sure to check out my blog, shreescaleblog.com.